people! So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's episode, this will be a different one because I will teach you on how to create a thumbnail on YouTube using a Microsoft PowerPoint. So this video will give you tips and step-by-step process on how to beautifully edit your thumbnails. The biggest question here is how do I edit my thumbnail on YouTube using PowerPoint? Before we start, we need to remember three things. First, main image photo. Second, font style, color, and design. And third, photos over the main photo. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint, then clear the slide or area where you're going to work. Delete the text box seen on the slide. To create your thumbnail, think of any photo related to your blog or uploaded video. Choose the one that is catchy. Once you are decided, click Insert tab, click Picture, then click this device, and then choose the file where the photo is saved. Then click the Insert button. So we are done with the main image or photo. Fit it fully to the workspace or slide. We are now working on the second important thing, and that is the font. So, on the Insert tab, click Word Art, choose the first font in the selection area. Now edit the text. For the font style, click the best font style suitable on your main image. To edit the font style and size, go to the Home tab, then go to the font style, and select your desired font style. Beside it is the font size. Choose the best font size as you consider your main photo. Think of a title that will suit the video, then edit the text. Then as the font design, right-click and then choose Format Text Effects. On the right side area, click Text option. Once selected, highlight the text. You may click Ctrl+A, then click Text Fill and Outline. Click Solid Fill, then select a color on the text outline. Choose your desired text color border. You may reduce the thickness on the width area depending on your preferences. Next, if you want to highlight the text, you may add a color on the text box on your text. How? Go to Shape option, click Fill and Line, select Solid Fill, then choose your desired color. If you have a desired color other than those which are shown, click More Colors, then select your desired color and click OK. Also, what I did with the text box sometimes, I tilt it a little bit, depending on your preferences. Just be creative. Then position the text where it will be appealing to you and to your viewers. For other texts, same procedure. Just watch the following clip. Third important thing, photos over the main photo. If you want to insert round photos, you may click Insert tab, then click Shape, then right-click, then select Format Shape. Click Picture or Text Fill, then click Insert, then click From a File, then choose your desired photo, then give them some highlight by clicking Effects Glow. Then select a color, then adjust the transparency and size depending on your preference. Reminder, color combination is very important when you create your thumbnail. Choose what is appealing to the eye and at the same time, readable. Avoid putting too many photos because it will look your thumbnail exhausted. Lastly, group all the items in the slide, Ctrl+A, or select all. Then right-click, and then select Group. Once grouped, click on the image, save as picture, rename it, select the JPEG or JPEG, then save. The required file size is a maximum of 2 MB or 2 megabytes. Yay! We're done! Thank you for watching, guys! I hope that this video helped you a lot because sharing is caring. And always remember that life is wonderful. Bye! Choose what it... Choose... Choose what...
Oo, naka-zoom na to.
Buksan mo! Electric ba init? Avoid put...
Bakit ba?
Mo ako. Yun na. Avoid putting too many photos.